Welcome back to my channel. Hello for all the newbies on my channel. Hit subscribe, hit like, make a comment, follow me on Instagram, do all those things if you want. If you don't want, I don't know, if you're just here to creep all you want. I'm here for it. I'm a big creep too. Anyway, this is my first Halloween look for the year. It's very simple. It may look like it's hard. It may have seemed like it was hard, but it's really not. All you have to do is just do makeup in like a little part of your face. Like, I wish I could just do makeup in a little part of my face all the time. I could cut my makeup time in half, which was unbelievable. Anyway, I got inspired by Nikkitutorials, and she got inspired by Shawn Mendes, and I don't know who Shawn Mendes got inspired by, but I saw her post this, and it looked so cool. It was just like, honestly guys, this was the easiest thing to do. If you're a beginner and you don't know where to begin with Halloween makeup, I didn't have to use anything Halloween makeup. The only thing that I did use, if you see, was this Snazzaroo face paint. You can get this at any Halloween supply store, or you could just use, you know, whatever white face paint you want to use. I was using the NYX white pencil stick, and it really wasn't just giving me the sharpness that I needed, so I switched over to the face paint. That's the only thing Halloween that I used. Everything else was just makeup. Yeah. Everything else was makeup. Yeah, everything else was makeup. So yeah, it was really easy. I didn't talk through it because I've never done this before, well, this style before, and I just kind of wanted to do it. But I did take my time, and you will see that it's just a lot of shading. The only hardest thing to do was just creating the outline of where my mask was gonna go, and then just executing it, which it was really easy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hit me on Instagram, hit a thumbs up, hit subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see next. I don't know what I'm going to be doing next. I didn't know I was going to be doing this. I kind of woke up this morning and I saw Nikkitutorials on my Instagram, and I was like, I die. So I had to do it. Anyways, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. My little Channas, you're right here with me.